Next, I remove reference error from these text box. Suppose when I click on 2018, I see here pivot table shows only 2018 values, and I see here in the text box that text box shows the values for 2019. There is a reference error value because pivot table only select the 2018 value. As a result, these text box shows reference error values. If I select on 2019, I see here 2018 text box shows reference error values. So I can remove these reference error values easily by using if error function. Show the sheet tabs, click OK. Then click on View tab, show formula bar. And I also show tabs and commands. Scroll right, select line chart, active this cell, insert if error function in this cell. In value argument, this value is already selected. Enter comma, type 0 in value if error. We can type any type of value in this argument. If there is any error value in that cell, if error function will return the value of this argument. In this case, I type 0, close bracket, press enter key. Insert the same formula in this cell. Enter comma and type 0. Press enter key. Then select this sheet. Active this cell. Type here if error function. Enter comma and type 0. Type here if error function. Enter comma and type 0. Type here if error function. Enter comma, type 0 and close bracket. Then go to the dashboard sheet. So if I select 2018, I see here this cell shows 0 value. This cell also shows 0 value. I insert the formula in donut chart to sheet. Clear this slicer. Select this sheet. Then select this cell reference. Type if error function. Enter comma and type 0. Press enter key. Type if error function. Enter comma and type 0. Press enter key. Then go to the dashboard sheet. Now select 2018. I see here pivot table shows values for 2018 and the value for 2019 is 0. Similarly, if I click on 2019, I see here value for 2019 and value for 2018 is 0. So in this way we can remove error in the cell references or text box by using if error function.